Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level Physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer C, well done. If you'd like to hear my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So two parallel metal plates, there they are, 1, 2, are separated by a distance d and have a potential difference v across them. A particle with charge q is placed midway between the plates. What is the magnitude of the electrostatic force acting on the particle? Well, first of all, this is a uniform field because it's between two plates. So the force on that particle is going to be the same wherever that particle is. Its position within that field is completely irrelevant. So the force on a charged particle is equal to the field strength multiplied by the charge, and the field strength in a uniform field is equal to the potential difference multiplied by the separation or the distance between that potential difference. In this particular case, it's the distance between the plates. So I can substitute V over D for E into this first equation, and I discovered that the force is equal to Q V over D. Nice and simple. The answer is C. If you found this useful, please do press the like button, do subscribe, and I hope you'll share and watch more of these videos in the series.